Ivydale. Welcome to week 11 singing assembly for EYFS. This week I've also done a singing assembly combined for phase 1 and phase 2, which you might like to go and have a listen to as well. It's quite complicated, but it is a special project that you might want to get involved with. Southwark Music Service are asking all the children in Southwark to record bits of a piece of music so that they can put it all together in one big video. So if you'd like to be part of that and learn the song especially for that, then do tune in this week as well to phase 1 and phase 2 and get yourselves recording, singing, dancing, dressing up at home doing that. But for you guys also, I wanted to do something bug related for you again for your topic this week. So let's get warmed up for our singing. Could you roll your shoulders like this for me? Could you stretch up really high and wiggle your fingers? Wiggling them. That's it. Could you stretch all the way down to the floor? Could you wiggle your fingers out this way? Can you wiggle your fingers out that way? Should we do some swimming? Very good. Can you buzz like a bee? Ready? Buzz. Follow my finger. Buzz. Very good. Should we try and loop the loops? Good. Can you give me a tiger? Good. Can you give me a monkey? Very good. Can we warm up with our Tony Chestnut song as well to get going? Let's start on this note. Off we go. Tony Chestnut knows I love him. Tony knows, Tony knows, Tony Chestnut knows I love him. Tony, Tony knows. Well done everybody. Let's get cracking on our songs for today. So today we're going to learn 2 small songs. The first one is about a snail. And as you can see, I've brought some of the insects we had in our song last week with me again to see if you can have a little look and spot which insects have come along today. The one I don't have in the picture is a snail. So I had a quick look in the garden and the only snail I could find is half of a shell which has been a little bit eaten by somebody who was very hungry. But let's have a little look at that shell and hopefully you can see a little bit of detail on there to see part of the spiral shape, because a snail has got a lovely pattern going round and round and round. And this is a very simple song. It goes like this. Snail, 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 go around, around, around. Snail, 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 go around, around, around. Let's see if we can draw a circle with our finger as we are singing that one. All it is 4 words of snail and then go around, around, around. Let's try it. Snail, 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 go around, around, around. Snail, 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 go around, around, around. Very good. This time as you sing it, can you use the whole space that you've got, whether you're at home or whether you're in a classroom? Can you walk round in a circle or in a lovely spiral shape as you're singing? Get ready? Here we go. Snail, 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 go around, around, around. Snail, 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 go around, around, around. Very good. This time we're going to change the words. We're going to be a worm this time. Oh, yeah, let's find our little wiggly worm over there. We're going to be a worm, and this time we're going to wiggle around. Okay, let's try that. Worm, 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 wiggle around, around, around. Worm, 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 wiggle around, around, around. Very good. Can we change this time to a spider? Oh, what could you do for a spider? See if you can think about spinning a web around the room as you're singing. So we're going to do spider, 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 spin around. Here we go. Spider, 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 spin around, around. one I want to do, let's find it, is our buzzy bee. Can you buzz around the room this time? So I want you to sing bee, 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 buzz around, okay? Off we go. Bee, 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 buzz around, around, around. Bee, 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 buzz around, around, around. Very good, everybody. So you can use that tune, that really simple tune that we've just sung, and you can change the words to find some other mini beasts that are your favourite mini beasts as well. So if you spotted something in the garden or in the park or at school, then see if you can make up a song using that particular mini beast that you found and changing the words to show everybody what it does. Okay, so our second song is all about a spider. And as you're singing this, I want you to see if you can find a scary, creepy voice. I don't know about you, I'm not very keen on spiders, especially big ones, and I suddenly spot them. Ooh, make me shiver. So you need to make yourself a spider shape. Now spiders, we discovered, have got 8 legs. So you might want to link up your thumbs to make your body and find your 8 fingers, 4 on each side, to scuttle along like a spider. See if you can do that. I'm going to sing you this song, and then I'm going to teach it to you bit by bit. It's a very simple one, goes like this. There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. There's a spider on the floor. Tell me, are there any more? There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. So, the only words you need really are there's a spider on the floor. Can you point down to the floor for me? And you need to know, tell me, are there any more? Let's say that. Tell me, are there any more? Let's do my turn first, your turn to copy. Here we go. There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. Your turn. There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. My turn. There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. Your turn. There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. My turn again. There's a spider on the floor. Tell me, are there any more? Your turn. There's a spider on the floor. Tell me, are there any more? My turn again. There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. Your turn. There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. Okay, let's see if we can put the whole song together. Get your spiders together. Get your creepy, scary voice. Let's sing it all the way through. Off we go. There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. There's a spider on the floor. Tell me, are there any more? There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. Very good, everybody. Let's change the words for the second verse. So now, uh-oh, the spider's gone on your knee. There's a spider on my knee, on my knee. There's a spider on my knee, on my knee. There's a spider on my knee and it's very tickly. Can you say that? And it's very tickly. There's a spider on my knee, on my knee. Let's try that from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. There's a spider on my knee, on my knee. There's a spider on my knee, on my knee. There's a spider on my knee, and it's very tickly. There's a spider on my knee, on my knee. Very good, everybody. The spider's gone up to your arm now. Uh-oh, this is getting scary. There's a spider on my arm, on my arm. There's a spider on my arm, on my arm. There's a spider on my arm, but it won't do any harm. Can you say that? but it won't do any harm. Don't worry, because most spiders are not poisonous and they will not hurt you, okay? So it won't do any harm. There's a spider on my arm, on my arm. Let's sing it through. There's a spider on my arm, on my arm. There's a spider on my arm, on my arm. There's a spider on my arm and it won't do any harm. There's a spider on my arm, on my arm. Very good. Now all we need to do is put those 3 verses together. I'm going to stop playing the piano and use the track so that we can do some actions together. Remember, the first time the spider's on the floor, the second time he's on your knee and he's tickly, and the third time he's on your arm but he won't do any harm. Let's have a go singing it through. Okay, here we go. Scary voices. There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. There's a spider on the floor. Tell me, are there any more? There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. There's a spider on my knee, on my knee. There's a spider on my knee, on my knee. There's a spider on my knee and it's very tickly. There's a spider on my knee, on my knee. There's a spider on my arm, on my arm. There's a spider on my arm, on my arm. There's a spider on my arm, but it won't do any harm. There's a spider on my arm, on my arm. Fantastic. Well done, everyone. Good work on your snail song and your spider song this week. And happy bug hunting.